You walk up to the gym front desk and say, "I want to cancel my membership." The staff member smiles and says, "Of course. Did you read the contract?" Your heart drops a little. What do you say next? In English? Today, you will follow a woman named Clara. She needs to cancel her gym membership. You will hear real English conversations and learn key words that you can use in your own life. Clara is 32 years old. She lives in a busy city. 6 months ago, she joined a gym near her office. At first, she went 3 times a week. She felt strong and healthy. But then, her schedule changed. She started a new job. The new job was far from the gym. She stopped going. Every month, the gym took money from her bank account. She was paying for something she never used. This made her feel frustrated. One Tuesday morning, Clara made a decision. She picked up her phone and called the gym. She wanted to stop her membership. A membership is an agreement that gives you access to a service or place. Clara had a gym membership. This meant she paid a regular fee to use the gym. The phone rang twice. A man answered. "Good morning, Fit Life Gym. How can I help you?" Clara took a breath. "Hello. I would like to cancel my membership, please." Cancel means to officially stop something, like a service or agreement. When Clara said, "cancel my membership," she meant she wanted to end her agreement with the gym permanently. The man on the phone said, "I see. I can help you with that. But first, I need to check your contract." Clara did not remember signing a contract. A contract is a written agreement between two people or groups. It explains the rules. When Clara joined the gym, she signed a contract. She agreed to follow the gym's rules. The man said, "Your contract shows that you joined for 1 year. You have 6 months remaining." Clara was surprised. She said, "I did not realize that. What does that mean for me?" The man explained the gym's policy. A policy is a set of rules that a company follows. It tells customers what they can and cannot do. He said, "Our policy says that you must give us 30 days notice before you cancel. This is called the notice period." A notice period is the amount of time you must tell a company before you stop a service. Clara needed to tell the gym 30 days before she wanted to leave. If this story is helping you learn English, tap the like button. It helps other learners find this lesson. Clara felt a little nervous. She was not sure about her rights, but she stayed calm. She asked clearly, "So what happens if I cancel today?" The man said, "If you cancel today, your membership will end in 30 days. You will still be charged for that period." Clara listened carefully. Clara said, "I understand the notice period, but I have not used the gym for 3 months. Is it possible to get a refund for those months?" A refund is money that is given back to you after you paid for something. For example, if you buy a broken product, the shop gives you a refund. The man paused. He said, "I understand your situation, Clara. However, our policy does not normally allow refunds for unused months." Clara felt disappointed, but she did not give up. She said, "I see. Can I speak with a manager, please? I would like to explain my situation more." The man said, "Of course. Please hold for 1 moment." Clara waited. She took a deep breath. She prepared what she wanted to say. A woman came on the line. She said, "Hello, this is Sandra, the membership manager. How can I help you today?" Her voice was warm and professional. Clara explained everything clearly. She said, "I joined the gym 6 months ago. My situation has changed. I now work far away. I have not visited the gym for 3 months." She continued, "I would like to cancel my membership. I know your policy says I need to give 30 days notice. I am happy to do that." Sandra said, I appreciate you calling us, Clara. I can see your contract and your attendance record. There was a short pause. Sandra said, You are correct. You have not visited in 3 months. That is unusual for an active member. Clara said, Yes. My new job made it impossible. Sandra explained the options. She said, I have 2 options for you. Option 1, you give 30 days notice and your membership ends after that. You pay for those 30 days. Sandra continued. Option 2, because you have not visited for 3 months, I can offer you a partial refund. We will refund 1 month's fee as a goodwill gesture. Clara was pleased to hear this. A goodwill gesture means doing something kind, not because the rules say you must, but because you want to treat the other person fairly. Clara said, Thank you very much, Sandra. I would like to choose option 2, please. The partial refund and the 30-day notice period. Sandra said, Perfect. I will start the cancellation process now. You will receive a confirmation email today. The refund will arrive in 5 to 7 business days. Clara said, That sounds great. Thank you for being so helpful. Sandra replied, You are very welcome. We are sorry to see you go. Take care. Clara put down her phone. She felt calm and proud of herself. She had spoken clearly and politely. She had explained her situation well. She had used real English skills. She had asked questions. She had listened. She had negotiated. And she had got a fair result. Later that day, the confirmation email arrived. It said, Dear Clara, this email confirms your cancellation request. Your membership will end in 30 days. A refund of 1 month's fee will be processed. Clara printed the email and saved it. It is always a good idea to keep written proof of a cancellation. This protects you if there is a problem later. 7 days later, Clara checked her bank account. The refund had arrived. She smiled. She felt in control of her money and her English. Now let us review the key vocabulary from today's story. These are words you can use in real life. The first word is membership. A membership is an agreement that gives you access to a service or place, usually for a regular fee. Clara had a gym membership. The second word is cancel. To cancel means to officially stop a service or agreement. Clara called the gym to cancel her membership. The third word is contract. A contract is a written agreement between 2 parties. It explains the rules and the responsibilities of each person. The fourth word is policy. A policy is a set of rules that a company or organization follows. The gym's policy said members must give 30 days notice. The fifth word is notice period. A notice period is the amount of time you must tell a company before you stop using their service. Clara had a 30-day notice period. The sixth word is refund. A refund is money returned to you after you have paid. The manager offered Clara a 1-month refund as a goodwill gesture. Let us also review Clara's phrases. She said, I would like to cancel my membership, please. She said, Is it possible to get a refund? She said, Can I speak with a manager, please? These phrases are polite and clear. You can use them in real situations. Being calm and polite helps you get a better result. Remember, always read your contract before you sign. Know the notice period. And keep a copy of any cancellation confirmation you receive. Clara's story shows that you can handle difficult conversations in English. You just need the right words, a calm voice, and a little confidence. You followed the whole story today. That means your English is growing. Be proud of yourself. Every story you finish makes you stronger. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, Subscribe to the channel and tap the bell so you get a new lesson every day. Then write one sentence in the comments using one of today's words, like membership, refund, or cancel. And share this video with a friend who is learning English.